Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is NT Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to restore your computer to an earlier date and look at your restore points you might have on your computer. So this should be a fairly straightforward tutorial and we're going to jump right into it. So we're going to start by heading over to the start button and then you want to type in restore. One of the best matches should say create a restore point. So you want to left click to open that up. Now you want to go down and you can see we have a system restore button right here. You want to left click on it, and I've already restored the system back, so that's probably the first option selected, but I recommend just selecting to see all restore points. This will give you a list of the restore points that are on your computer, and I would recommend going back to the most recently created one and then proceeding to click on next and then click on the finish button. Once started, the system restore cannot be interrupted. Do you wish to continue? At this point, I recommend you close out of any programs you have on your computer or windows you might have open on your screen, and then you want to let this process begin. It will take some time, so just be patient. Okay, so at this point we can enter in our account information to get back into our system here. Okay, so it says system restore completed successfully. The system has been restored. So pretty straightforward, guys, and that's about it for this tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and as always, thank you for watching this tutorial, and I look forward to catching you all in the next video. Goodbye.